This is my Honda CB 750 1972 K2. Restored it around about 7 years ago. It's in the candy apple gold. It's on heritage plates. It's one of my toys. It's been pretty much mostly restored, but still needs some work, like, you know, some chrome work and trimmings and stuff like that. But overall she's in really good nick, and I'm going to start her up in a second. I'm not going to do any taping whilst I'm riding because I haven't got a GoPro or anything, unfortunately. So yeah, I've had it about 10-12 years now. Bought it second hand, obviously, and it wasn't in this good condition. I pretty much bought it back. I bought a new seat, you know, resprayed it, new decals, you know. She's in pretty good nick. I'm pretty happy with her. She goes pretty good. I mean, you know, front disc brake. Unfortunately, it is just a single disc. You know, it is 1972 technology. This was the Superbike of its day. But overall, she's a head turner, and every time I sort of take her out, people sort of do admire and take photos of her. I'm pretty proud of her, actually. So I'm going to start her up for you. In the background's another one of my toys, but that's for another day. So yeah, I'll start her up and see how she goes. Now, it's got electric start, but because I haven't been riding it much, the battery's a bit cactus, so I have to kickstart it. So it does have to kickstart. So yeah, as you can see, the paint's in really good nick. Got that all redone. The striping, yeah. New cap and a new saddle. It's got the 4x4. Yeah, she's a lovely bike, lovely old girl to ride. Just got to be careful, because obviously with the single disc, you know, handling capacity and stopping isn't what you get out of the new bikes today. So I'll just start her up now. So she's been primed, choke. And that, my friends, is a CB 750 K2 1972, and